Email marketing remains a powerful tool for businesses in today's digital age. It's not just about sending messages, it's about creating meaningful connections with your audience. It's a direct line of communication with your audience, allowing you to speak to them in a personalized and engaging manner. Email lets you build relationships, promote products, and drive sales. Whether you're launching a new product or sharing a special offer, email marketing can help you reach your goals. By mastering email marketing, you can turn subscribers into loyal customers. These loyal customers are more likely to make repeat purchases and recommend your business to others. Email is personal and customizable. You can address your subscribers by name and tailor your content to their specific interests and needs. You can tailor messages to specific segments of your audience, ensuring that each group receives content that is relevant to them. This personalization helps increase engagement and conversions. When your audience feels that your emails are relevant to them, they are more likely to open, read, and act on them. Compared to social media, email offers a more reliable way to reach your target market. Social media algorithms can limit your reach, but emails land directly in your subscribers' inboxes. Email marketing is cost-effective, especially compared to other marketing channels. You can reach a large audience without spending a fortune. With the right tools and strategies, you can achieve a high return on investment. Email marketing is measurable, allowing you to see exactly how your campaigns are performing. You can track key metrics to see what's working and what's not. Open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates are just a few of the metrics you can monitor. This data-driven approach allows you to continuously improve your campaigns. By analyzing your results, you can make informed decisions and optimize your strategy for better performance. In the following sections, we'll explore the essential elements of email marketing mastery. From crafting compelling subject lines to designing eye-catching templates, we'll cover it all. From building your list to analyzing your results, you'll gain the knowledge to succeed in the world of email marketing. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this powerful marketing tool. A successful email marketing strategy starts with a high-quality email list. This list is the foundation of your marketing efforts and can significantly impact your business's growth. Your email list should be full of people who are genuinely interested in your brand and what you offer. These are the individuals who are more likely to engage with your content and become loyal customers. Focus on attracting the right subscribers, not just the most subscribers. Quality over quantity is key here, as a smaller engaged audience is more valuable than a large disinterested one. Use opt-in forms on your website to capture email addresses. These forms should be easy to find and simple to fill out, ensuring a smooth user experience. Place these forms strategically on high-traffic pages. Consider locations like your homepage, blog posts, and landing pages where visitors are most likely to see them. Offer valuable incentives such as discounts or exclusive content in exchange for email signups. People are more likely to share their email addresses if they see immediate value in doing so. Promote your email list on social media. Use your social platforms to reach a broader audience and direct them to your sign-up forms. Share snippets of your email content to entice people to subscribe. Give them a taste of what they can expect by joining your list, such as exclusive tips, updates, or special offers. Run contests and giveaways that require an email address to enter. This can be a fun and effective way to grow your list quickly while engaging your audience. Collaborate with other businesses to expand your reach. Partnering with companies that share a similar target audience can help you tap into new potential subscribers. Partner with companies that target a similar audience. This way you can cross-promote each other's email lists and benefit from each other's customer base. Offer joint promotions or cross-promote each other's email lists. This can be done through co-branded content, webinars, or special offers that require email signups. Remember, building a strong email list is an ongoing process. It requires consistent effort and regular updates to keep your audience engaged and growing. Continuously implement these strategies to attract and engage potential customers. Stay proactive and adapt to new trends to ensure your email list remains a valuable asset for your business. The content of your emails is crucial for engagement and conversions. Your emails should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your subscribers' interests. Start with a strong subject line that grabs attention and encourages opens. Use clear, concise language that is easy to read and understand. Break up your text with headings, bullet points, and images. Personalize your emails by addressing subscribers by name. Segment your list to send targeted content that resonates with each group's interests. Include a clear call to action in every email. Tell your subscribers what you want them to do, whether it's visiting your website, making a purchase, or reading a blog post. Segmentation is the process of dividing your email list into smaller groups based on shared characteristics. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your messages resonate with your audience. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant emails, which can significantly improve your email marketing results. Segment your audience based on demographics, such as age, gender, and location. This helps in crafting messages that are more likely to appeal to each specific group. You can also segment based on behavior, such as past purchases or website activity. Understanding your audience's behavior allows you to predict their future actions and needs. Use your email marketing platform's segmentation tools to create targeted groups. These tools often provide advanced options to fine-tune your segments. Tailor your email content to each segment's interests and needs. Personalized content is more engaging and can lead to better customer relationships. For example, send a special offer to customers who haven't made a purchase in a while. This can re-engage them and encourage them to return. Share exclusive content with subscribers who have signed up for your loyalty program. This rewards their loyalty and keeps them engaged with your brand. Segmentation leads to higher engagement, conversions, and customer satisfaction. By delivering the right message to the right people, you can build stronger connections and drive better results for your business. Section 5. Welcome emails, making a great first impression. Welcome emails are the first impression you make on new subscribers. Use them to introduce your brand, set expectations, and encourage engagement. Send a welcome email immediately after someone subscribes to your list. Thank them for subscribing and reiterate the value they'll receive. Highlight your most popular products or services. Include a clear call to action, such as visiting your website or following you on social media. Use a friendly and welcoming tone to build rapport. Personalize the email by addressing the subscriber by name. A well-crafted welcome email can set the stage for a long-lasting relationship with your subscribers. Section 6. Promotional emails, driving sales and conversions. Promotional emails are designed to promote your products or services and drive sales. Use them to announce new arrivals, offer discounts, and highlight special promotions. Create a sense of urgency by using limited-time offers and countdown timers. Use high-quality images and compelling copy to showcase your products. Include customer testimonials and reviews to build trust. Make it easy for subscribers to purchase by including clear call-to-action buttons. Track the success of your promotional emails to see what resonates with your audience. Section 7. Transactional emails, building trust and engagement. Transactional emails are sent after a customer completes a specific action, like making a purchase or creating an account. Use these emails to confirm the transaction, provide order details, and offer support. Personalize transactional emails with the customer's name and purchase history. Include relevant product recommendations to encourage additional purchases. Use transactional emails as an opportunity to build trust and loyalty. Thank customers for their business and reiterate your commitment to their satisfaction. You can also use transactional emails to gather feedback and improve your offerings. Section 8. Email automation, streamlining your efforts. Email automation allows you to send automated email sequences based on specific triggers or actions. This saves you time and ensures that your subscribers receive timely and relevant messages. Set up welcome email series to nurture new subscribers. Create abandoned cart emails to recover lost sales. Automate birthday emails to send personalized greetings and offers. Use email automation to streamline your marketing efforts and improve efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on creating high-quality content and engaging with your subscribers. Section 9. Analyzing your results. Tracking key metrics. Analyzing your email marketing performance is crucial for optimization and growth. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use your email marketing platform's analytics dashboard to monitor these metrics. Identify trends and patterns in your data to see what's working and what's not. Segment your audience to compare the performance of different groups. Use this information to refine your email content, subject lines, and calls to action. By regularly analyzing your results, you can continuously improve your email marketing campaigns. Section 10. A/B testing, optimizing for success. A/B testing involves sending two different versions of an email to a small segment of your list to see which one performs better. Test different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, calls to action, and email designs. Use a small sample size for your initial test and then send the winning version to the rest of your list. A/B testing helps you optimize your emails for maximum engagement and conversions. It's an ongoing process that allows you to continuously improve your results. By testing different variables, you can identify what resonates best with your audience. Section 11. Conclusion: email marketing for long-term growth. Email marketing is an essential tool for any business looking to grow its customer base and drive revenue. By building a strong email list, crafting compelling content, and segmenting your audience, you can create targeted campaigns that deliver results. Remember to analyze your results and make adjustments as needed to optimize your campaigns for success. Embrace the power of email marketing and watch your business thrive in the digital age.